Nature, in all its beauty and tranquility, can also be a formidable and unpredictable force, capable of altering the course of history. The power and unpredictability of natural disasters have been felt across the globe, from the rippling waves of tsunamis to the violent tremors of earthquakes, the destructive whirl of hurricanes, and the explosive fury of volcanic eruptions. These catastrophic events have left indelible imprints on our world, shaping and reshaping civilizations. Now, let us delve into the chronicles of these devastating events. Our journey begins in the 19th century with the eruption of Krakatoa in 1883. This volcano, nestled in the Indonesian archipelago, unleashed a force so violent that it generated tsunamis and caused destruction on an unimaginable scale, claiming over 36,000 lives. The eruption also had significant global climate effects, demonstrating the far-reaching impact of such a disaster. From the fiery wrath of Krakatoa, we move to the Wend's fury with the Galveston hurricane of 1900. This hurricane struck Galveston, Texas, becoming one of the deadliest natural disasters in U.S. history. The storm surge and flooding took between 6,000 and 12,000 lives, showcasing the terrifying power of Mother Nature. These early disasters, both the Krakatoa eruption and the Galveston hurricane, serve as somber reminders of nature's potential for destruction. They underscore the importance of studying and understanding our world, in the hope that we can better predict and prepare for such events in the future. The dawn of the 21st century has not been without its share of natural disasters, some of the most devastating in recorded history. The year 2004 was marked by the Indian Ocean tsunami, triggered by a massive undersea earthquake that devastated coastal areas in 14 countries bordering the Indian Ocean. The death toll was staggering, with over 230,000 lives lost. Just a year later, in 2005, the United States faced one of the most destructive hurricanes in its history. Hurricane Katrina brought catastrophic flooding to New Orleans and other Gulf Coast areas, resulting in over 1,800 fatalities and causing immense property damage. In 2008, a powerful earthquake struck China's Sichuan province. The widespread destruction left over 87,000 confirmed fatalities and millions without homes to return to. The scale of the disaster was immense, shaking the nation to its core. The new decade began on a tragic note when a catastrophic earthquake struck near Port-au-Prince, Haiti in 2010. The widespread devastation that followed resulted in over 200,000 fatalities and extensive damage to infrastructure, altering the landscape of the nation. Then, in 2011, a powerful undersea earthquake off the coast of Japan triggered a massive tsunami. The wave of destruction led to widespread devastation, including the Fukushima nuclear disaster, and took the lives of over 15,000 people. These disasters, spread across different parts of the globe, share a common thread of immense human loss and devastation. Each of them serves as a stark reminder of the unpredictable power of nature and highlights the vulnerability of human societies. As we move further into the 21st century, these catastrophic events underscore the need for stronger disaster preparedness and response mechanisms. Our collective resilience is tested in the face of such calamities, but it also brings to the fore our capacity for recovery, rebuilding, and most importantly, learning from the past. These disasters serve as stark reminders of the power of nature and The vulnerability of human societies. In recent years, the world has continued to witness the devastating effects of natural disasters. In 2015, a powerful earthquake struck Nepal, causing extensive damage in Kathmandu and surrounding areas. Over 9,000 people lost their lives, and countless buildings and infrastructure were severely damaged. Then, in 2017, the Atlantic hurricane season unleashed a fury like never before. Hurricanes Harvey, Irma, and Maria tore through Texas, Florida, Puerto Rico, and the Caribbean, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. Thousands of lives were lost, and the economic losses were immense. Stepping back further in time, the 1931 China floods remind us of the sheer force of water. The Yellow River, swollen due to heavy rainfall, overflowed its banks, leading to one of the deadliest natural disasters in history. Fatality estimates range from 1 to 4 million, a staggering number that underscores the magnitude of this disaster. Each of these events is a stark reminder of the power of nature and the vulnerability of human societies. They underscore the need for better disaster preparedness and response mechanisms. As we reflect on these disasters, it is crucial that we learn from them, improving our preparedness and response to ensure a safer future for all. In the face of such calamities, human resilience and the spirit of unity often shine brightest. We've journeyed through a century of natural disasters, seen the devastation they bring, but also witnessed the indomitable spirit of humanity. These events highlight the importance of preparedness, the value of scientific prediction, and the necessity for global cooperation. Through our shared history, we learn, adapt, and grow stronger. As we remember the past, let us build a future where we are better prepared for the unpredictable power of nature.